It's funny, there's not a lot of people out.
No. Waves at the end of the pier.
Yeah, I'm trying to get up here and get a good picture of it.
Oh my God. Some of those waves almost look like they're hitting the bottom of
Hey, roll that up.
the actual sand. I'm trying to get some water off where I can see.
Alright, drop your head and drop the window down right quick just for a minute. Oh wow, look at that pier.
Okay, that's
It's about on the bottom of the pier.
and it's
Break it out toward the, oh wow,